Hello guys, I'm going to explain to you the Brand24 website to analyze some data. Here we can have you can have many projects, but right now I'm only going to use the suicide topic. You can have here the graph of how much is this topic being talked about in the website. You can see all the website or type of sources the app or the website is taking the information from. You can filter depending on what you want to focus. You can choose only one or you can choose all of them. For example, you can choose here the positive ones, the positive comments, the negative comments, or you can go for all of them depending on what you like. Also, you can change here the influencer score. What does that mean? So this means that you can change how influencer your source wants you want to be. For example, like a very confident source, or just like general comments from the people without caring that they're influencer or not. This is a very easy tool. You can see all the comments here, if they positive, negative. If you get clear in PDF report, you will get a report which is like this one. You can see all the information here with some graphs, numbers, percentages, the comments of the most popular mentions, the most active public profilers, and many other data, which is very useful and very clear. Or you can go to infographic here, and if you click on it, you will get to here something like this, which is also very clear tool and more visual, and it's very easy to understand all the data and analyze it. If we had another project to compare, you can click on comparison, and this will give you like a comparison between the positive comments, negative comments, between those two topics that you want to compare. So I hope you like it, and bye bye.